This thing's heavy. So now that we've got the bumper removed, we can fix the dent on the side of the truck before we paint it, but that's not the only reason why I took the bumper off. A big reason I took the bumper off is to repair the bumper. So this bumper, it looks good, right? It's in fairly good condition, but right over here is a terrible dent in its side, and we want to get that fixed. And we've got some rust holes right here that we want to get repaired, especially on the bottom too. It's really bad down here. It is just, oh, did you guys see that? Take a look at this. So this is a big reason why we're having to redo what we've got here. See how that hole is flexing? That is not good. And we're gonna have to reinforce this bumper to remedy that. So before we get too carried away and fixing the rust holes, we are going to have to clean it. Because wow, I mean, I'm standing in a pile of dust here.